Hey friends, here we go in another math lesson. I can count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So forward and backward. This is backward actually, backwards using a story. And we're going to do that again today. And afterwards, we're going to count down the math way on our fingers. All right, let's get started, friends. We're going to begin our warm up with this Farmer Brown song. So here we go. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples here. But we know what Farmer Brown, he likes to eat those apples. Farmer Brown had 5 green apples hanging in a tree. 5 green apples hanging on a tree. He plucked one apple and ate it hungrily, leaving 4 green apples hanging in a tree. 1, 2, 3, 4. Farmer Brown had 4 green apples hanging on a tree. 4 green apples hanging on a tree. He plucked one apple and ate it hungrily, leaving 3 green apples hanging in a tree. 1, 2, 3. Farmer Apple had 3 green apples hanging in a tree. 3 green apples hanging in a tree. He plucked one apple and ate it hungrily, leaving 2 green apples hanging in a tree. 1, 2. Farmer Brown had 2 green apples hanging on a tree. 2 green apples hanging on a tree. He plucked one apple and ate it hungrily, leaving 1 green apple hanging in a tree. Farmer Brown had 1 green apple hanging in a tree. 1 green apple hanging in a tree. He plucked that apple and ate it hungrily, leaving 0 apples hanging in a tree. Today we're going to do our counting down by counting the fish. We're going to do a little poem. Let's count and see how many fish are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tells you how many. Say there are 5 fish. You're correct. Let's count the math way with our hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how we count the math way, 2, 5. Now let's sing our song. We're going to count backwards. 5 little fish swimming in the sea, teasing Mr. Shark. You can't catch me. Long 'cause Mr. Shark is quiet as can be, and snap that fish right out of the sea. How many fish are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there were 5. Now there's 4. 4 little fish swimming in the sea, teasing Mr. Shark. You can't catch me. Along 'cause Mr. Shark was quiet as can be, and snap that fish right out of the sea. How many fish are left? 1, 2, 3. Say, I can count backwards using a story. 3 little fish swimming in the sea, teasing Mr. Shark. You can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Shark, as quiet as can be, and snaps that fish right out of the sea. How many fish are left? 1, 2. 2 tells you how many. 2 little fish swimming in the sea, teasing Mr. Shark. You can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Shark, as quiet as can be, and snaps that fish right out of the sea. How many fish are left? 1. 1 little fish swimming through the sea, teasing Mr. Shark. You can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Shark, as quiet as can be, and snaps that fish right out of the sea. There's 0 fish left. All right, friends, let's count down from 5 to 1, the math way. So 5, 1 less is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 1 less is 3. 1, 2, 3. 3, and one less is 2. 1, 2, 2, and one less is 1. Way to go, friends. You counted from 5 all the way down to 1, the math way. Say, I can count backwards. You did it, friends. Happy counting. Bye.